Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Hans, the Ramen Raider, coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got one from Japan. It came out of a Zen Pop box. Go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code the Ramen Raider for a discount. This is Myojo Okinawa Soba. So that's what we're doing today. This is a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful thing. So here we go. And water to the line. There. A little push. And a lid for 3 minutes. We can't seem to shake off this nice weather. I'm sick of it. It's so hard for me to see outside in the bright sun. And it's just hot and not really windy and just kind of gross. So, yeah. You get out in it though. Jeepers. Tomorrow's community day for Pokemon Go and Pikmin Bloom, if you're interested in such things. I don't know, I always talk to people about it. My sister really got me into Pokemon Go. Actually, my oldest son Miles, or Andy, he was really into Pokemon. I think he still is, I'm sure. But yeah, Pokemon. Something to do. I like the Pikmin one because it's all about walking, but it's so funny. People just complain all the time about, oh, I can't walk so much. It's like, why are you... I can't see, so I don't go out for archery, you know, or slot car racing. But you know, what do you do? Know your limits. But yeah, I think I'm making pizza tonight or tomorrow night. There will be pizza that is made, I think. So we'll see. But I'm going to do these up, and then tomorrow, later I'm going to be kind of busy, so I'm going to do 4 more tomorrow, I think. Because she's got to work in the morning, so, even though it's a Saturday, but weird schedule. But that's cool. So that'll mean in 5 days, I'll have gotten 20 reviews done, which is great. That's like right on track for my Insana goal of getting probably episodes of this show into the new year before they go back to school. So I'll be able to get a bunch of other stuff done. Oh, something that I did yesterday is I put a ad blocker on the ramenraider.com. It's if you have an ad blocker on, obviously the ads aren't seen, which I understand wanting to not see ads, but that does affect me when you block them. I don't know. Well, we'll see if that makes a difference. It was only $20, and it's a lifetime license for this ad blocker. It's nice. It's nice. So we'll see. And yeah, I'm gonna have a bunch of stuff coming up soon, but soon in my soon, not yours, because I'm gonna have a lot of stuff going on. So anyways, here is our Okinawa Soba, and boy, there's a lot of stuff going on in here. Definitely a lot more than the export pack version. So here, look, there's like bits and pieces of all sorts of stuff. What's that? I'm curious. Like meat and seafood and stuff. Some veg. Where is that flavor? That flavor is good. that funky flavor. That's it. It's the bacon, seafood bacon flavor. I swear to God. I like that. I think that's a neat thing. It tastes like seafood, but it also tastes kind of like bacon. And what do we do with this? I took out one chashu too many. I wasn't going to add chashu to this, but I think I'm gonna do my new thing with this. So I'm going to use my torn chashu. I think I'm just going to use one piece, and I'm just going to take this and yummy. I'm using a lot of chashu right now. Not the time of year, you know, mid-August, that making another batch of chashu sounds like a lot of fun, because it's a lot of time at 450 degrees. It really is crazy. It's crazy business, but it's good. Chashu is a wonderful thing. Bad enough doing soft-boiled eggs, because it humidifies the kitchen like nothing else. Everything just hangs here. We'll talk about that tomorrow. Yeah, Okinawa Soba. Good stuff. Wow. This is a good one. Definitely better than the export pack. A lot more flavor. I really like you to be in the center. You seem to be. There you go. I'm coming. No. Well, cool. Thanks for watching. Yeah, the next one is going to be this Gyoran Thai, kind of like Gyoran tea. Gyoran Thai curry from Japan. Curry udon. So, this has been Oz the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.